Oh, how's it going? Welcome back. I'm Campbell, and this is part 3 of your campus speed tour. Come on. Next stop, the Great Seal of BGSU. Keep it running, boys. There are 3 myths that surround this seal here at BGSU. First one is if you kiss your sweetheart at midnight under a full moon while standing on the seal, you'll soon be married. The second one is if you're walking with your sweetheart, your sweetheart, but you pass on different sides of the seal, you'll soon break up. The third and final myth, if you walk on the right side of the seal, you'll pass your classes. But if you walk to the left, you're taking your chances. Come on. 1,000. And this is the Student Recreation Center, where full-time students can come and work out for free. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you on campus. All right.